First show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is you have to open your browser, then simply go to your Binance account. After that, just simply go to asset section, click on overview. After that, just simply check that whatever crypto you have, is it in USDT or not. So in my case, I have Ethereum, as you can see right over here. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to convert Ethereum to USDT. So hover over trade, click on convert, and then just simply enter Ethereum at the very top or whatever crypto you have at the top, and then just simply search for USDT for the bottom part. Now once that is done, just simply enter the amount that you would like to convert. So in my case, I want to convert everything. Now once you will have the transaction details over here, click on preview conversion, then click on convert. Now wait for a few seconds, and within a few seconds, once the transaction is complete, it will look something like this. So click on go to wallet. And now all of your funds should be in USDT, as you can see right over here. So now in order to transfer USDT into your bank account, what you have to do is you have to first see where exactly your USDT is. So if you just click on the crypto, you will be able to see in which wallet your crypto is in. So in my case, it is in the funding wallet. You should have the crypto in funding wallet. If it is in spot wallet, make sure to transfer the funds into your funding wallet. For doing that, all you have to do is click on the transfer option right over here, and then this will transfer from spot to funding. You can choose the options right over here. Then click on confirm and enter the amount that you would like to transfer. Once it is in the funding wallet, the next thing that you have to do is you have to go to the trade section. Then click on P2P. After that, just simply click on sell. Then enter the desired amount right over here. It will most likely be the country's currency that you are currently in. Choose that. Then in the payment method, just simply choose whatever payment method you would like to use. If you want, you can also keep it all payments. Then just simply look for the best advertisers over here. Now, in order to find the best advertisers, just simply look for this check option. The check option signifies verified merchants. That means all the people over here are verified by Binance and can be trusted. So right over here, you will be able to see the best one out of all of them, which will be highlighted with a star, as you can see right over here. Now, just simply choose sell USDT. Then enter the amount that you would like to sell, and after that just simply choose your bank account. So as you can see, this is my bank account right over here. Now in order to add bank account, you have to do it from your settings panel, which I will show you in a bit. So once you will choose your bank account right over here, click on sell USDT, and then it will take few minutes, or the time will be short right over here, as you can see. So in this case, it's going to take 60 minutes. Then within 60 minutes, the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Now let me show you how you can add your bank account. So click on your profile. Then go to your account, then payments. Now in payments, click on add a payment method, then choose bank transfer. Then just simply add your bank account number, your code, your account type, your bank name, the branch name, and complete the details regarding all of the information and add your bank account. And then once you will be on the P2P setting page, you will be able to choose the bank account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.